Children, let's we learn main course book and reference course book in English medium standard 4 subject maths. In main course book chapter number 13 fields and fans, and in reference course book chapter number 13 shapes and patterns. In previous video I saw exercise number 13.1 to 13.5. Now our next topic is reflection. Reflection means what? Stand in front of a mirror and look at it. Stand in front of mirror and look at it. You will see your image. You will see your image in it. This is your mirror image or reflection. This is your mirror image or reflection. Reflection are seen in many things like mirror, glass, water, bodies, etc. When you stand near a lake, you see your own face, own reflection in it, own reflection in it. You can also see the reflection of trees and other nearby things in the lake. But the image in the reflection is flipped around. But the image in the reflection in flip around. What is the reflection? जब हम आईने के सामने खड़े होते हैं, जो हमारा रिफ्लेक्ट होता है, हम अपने आप को देख सकते हैं, उसको रिफ्लेक्शन बोलते हैं. सो एक्सरसाइज नंबर 13.6 इट इज़ योर होमवर्क. Now patterns. Patterns are arrangement of different of same shape, design, letter or numbers in particular sequence or according to a rule. What is a pattern? Again one time, pattern are arrangement of different or shapes, numbers, letters, designs in a particular sequence. In a particular sequence according to a rule and according to a rule. Pattern are arrangement of a different or same shape, design, letter or number in a particular sequence according to a rule. Now in exercise number 13.7, first question, complete the given patterns. Complete the given patterns. Now first we find here which rule follow, which type rules is following here. Now first here 3. How many add in 3? How many numbers add in 3? You here make here 5. So 2. Then 5. Here 3. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 4 12 means add 4. Then 12. 12 plus 5 17. So here following first add 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 so on. 17 plus 6 first, after 12 plus 5 to 17 plus 6, 7 plus 6 here 13 carry over 1 23. Now add 7 so 30. Now add 8 so 38. Now add here 9. 8 plus 8 16 plus 1 17 carry over 1 so it's 47. So our pattern is completed according to a rule, according to a particular rule. Now here first we find rules. 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 15 35. 35 plus 20 55. 55 plus 25 80. Now 80 plus 30. 80 plus 30 110. Then add here 35. So 145. Then now add here 40. So 185. Now here add 45. 5 plus 5 10 carry over 1 here 9 and here 1. So 190. First here 110, 145, 185 and 190. Now next question, Tick the option that makes the pattern true. Tick the option that make the pattern true. First one, 48 divided with 8 is equal to x. So 48 divided with 8, so here we get answer 6. Here x is equal to 6, x is equal to 60, x is equal to 6. So we are check 1 and 3 both. Again, y divided with 8, we get answer here 60. We get answer here 60. So we multiply both number. 8 6 are 48 and 1 0. So y is equal to 480. Here y is equal to 400 only 48 and y is equal to 480. So 3 1. In case of answer is 3. Now last one, check it. 4800 divided with 8. So we can answer here z. So 8 6 are 48. So 0 0. Z is equal to 600. Z is equal to 600. Here also Z is equal to 600 and here also Z is equal to 600. But here y is equal to 48 and here y is equal to 408. So third number, it is our true answer. Third answer is our true answer. Now here next one, B. 80 divided with x is equal to 40. 80 divided with x is equal to 40. That means x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So here first one x is equal to 2 and third one also x is equal to 2. Now next one here, y. Y is equal to what? 80 divided with 4. 80 divided with 4. So 20. Y is equal to 20. Here also y is equal to 20. Here also y is equal to 20. Now we find here z. So 40 multiply 8. 4 8s are 32. 320. So here z is equal to 800 and here z is equal to 320. So first answer, it is true answer. First answer is right answer. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 20 and z is equal to 320. Here first answer, it is our true answer. Now next question here, third number. Use the following codes to code the given message. Use the following codes to code the given message. A for 26, B for 25, C for 24, D for 23, E for 22, F for 21, G for 20. Here we are using letter for number, letter for code. First here letter and we are using here number. Now here keep your city clean. Keep your city clean. K for 16. E for 22. 2 times 22. P for 11. That means 16, 22, 22, 11. That means keep. Here this one is keep. Now your. Y for 2. O for 12. U for 6. And R for 9. So 2, 12, 6, 9, it is your. It is your. Now city. C for 24. I for 18. T for 7. And Y for 2. 24, 18, 7, 2. That means city. Now clean. C for 24, L for 15, then E for 22, E for 26 and N for 13. So 24, 15, 22, 26 and 13, that means clean. That means clean. Now respect your elders. Respect your elders. R for 9. E for 22, S for 8, P for 11, E for 22, C for 24, and T for 7. Now Y-O-U-R, your. So Y for 2, O for 12, U for 6, and R for 9. Then elders, E for 22, L for 15, D for 23, E for 22, R for 9, and S for 8. So respect your elders. Now you are using another letters and record this using and messages. Now next one. Now record these messages. Now record these messages. 18 means I. 15, 1, 5, 15. 15 means L. 12, O. 5, V. And 22, E. I love 14, M. And 2, Y. I love my 24, C. 12, O. 6, U. 13, N. 7, T. 9, R. And R is equal to here Y. I love my country. Now decode this message. 18, 15, 12, 5, 22, 14, 2, 24, 12, 6, 13, 7, 92. This message is I love my country. I love my country. Now next one here 19. 19 for what here? H. 26, A. Then 11 for P. And 2 for Y. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Now 23, D. Then 18, I. 4, W. 26, A. 15, L. And 18, I. Happy Diwali. What? This message is what? Happy Diwali. First one is I love my country and second one is Happy Diwali. Now next question here. Study the pattern and write the product. Study the pattern and write the product. Here 11 multiply 11, 1 to 1. 111 multiply 111, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 4 times 1, 4, 1 multiply 4, 1 means 1111 multiply 1111, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 11,111 multiply 11,111. So 1, 2, 3, 4, here 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. We can answer this type. 1,11,111 multiply 1,11,111. Here answer is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2 and 1. Wicked answer is this. Now 11,11,111 multiply 11,11,111. So we get answer here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here we are following patterns. Now next one. 3 multiply 5 is equal to 15. Now 6 multiply 5 means 15 plus 15, 30. 6 5 is 30. 12 multiply 5, 30 plus 30, 60. Then 24 multiply 5, 60 plus 60, 120. That means 24 multiply 5 is equal to 120. Now 48 multiply 5, 120 plus 120, 240. 240, that means 48 multiply 5 is equal to 240. 96 multiply 5 is equal to 240 plus 240, that means 480. 96 plus 5 is equal to 480. Here we are following rules. First 15 plus 15, 30. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 120, 240. 240 plus 240, 480. Now question number 5. Add 3224, 4867 and 9214. Check your answer by casting out 9. Check your answer by casting out 9. First we add simply. 4867, then 9214 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 7, here 15, carry over 1. 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 7, 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, here 0, carry forward 1. 8 plus 8, 16, 17, 18, carry over 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. 17,805. Now, number after casting out 9. Number after casting out 9. That means 9 को हमें cut कर देना है. 3724. In this number having no 9. Then 4867. Now, casting 9 and write only 214. Then 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, carry forward 1. 6 plus 2, 8, 9, 10, carry over 1. 8 plus 8, 16, 17, 18, carry over 1. Then 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. Now check the digit of number. Now 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16. So 1 plus 6 here, 7. The total, the sum of the number is 7. Again 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 7. 18 plus 7. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Again 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Now the sum of this number 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 0. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. And 7 plus 7 plus 7, here also 21. Now 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And here also 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So both answer we getting here 3, 3. So that means our answer is correct. Thank you students.